Save it!
Kiki.
Save it!
Got it.
Hey!
I'll fight you for it.
Hey. Did you know it?
When you've been chasing your dog for 20 minutes just for a man to come rope her in 5 seconds.
Oh my god! Oh.
Love each other.
Excuse me, sir. I think your cat's broken.
It's good. It's okay. It's okay. What's wrong with this? Oh God.
Tanner, just run in here.
Try T-bone.
Oh, shit.
Can I have a kiss? Thank you. Can I have another? Oh, you're gonna break them. Thank you.
Huh?
Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-da, doo-da. Hope I get away with it.
Alright, so where do I start?
God, there's a huge bear at the back. Oh my God! Are you serious?
Hey!
Get out!
Get out of here!
Get out! Oh my!
Did I just witness a murder?
What the heck?
How would you feel if I clipped your nails? Can I clip your nails?
Damn. Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's dead.
Oh! Did I catch that?
Yummy?
Hey, 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 right here. Get it. Oh!
3, 2, 1, fight!
Opens my door, and then you just have the nerve to sit there like this. You pay rent? You pay rent? Okay.
I honestly have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
Nope. Come on, Dave.
You feed them, you raise them, you send them to school, and they're still stupid!
Tell me your indoor cat won't survive in the wild without telling me.
What did you do to yourself?
Oh, look at you, little tiny kitty, little tiny baby kitty. Ow! Curse your tiny kitty!
Oliver, are you ready to get your nails trimmed?
Do it. Do it. She wants all this attention. Do it.
Peekaboo, I found you. Where are you? Peekaboo, I see you. Where am I? Here I
Опять? Камила, лови! Украл.
No, we ain't doing this again. Wait, you're not sneaky. Wait. We ain't doing this again. You're not getting my feet this time.
You're really doing it, aren't you? You're shitting in the street.
No?
I would like to know why there's a Cheeto on your bed.
Beanie, Kiki, load up. Good girl, good job.
Are you new here?
Yeah. Oops.
What the f is that? What the f is that? A f***ing cat? Hey, don't f***ing look at me like that.
It's got a maze on it. It's a labyrinth, not a maze. It's a sacred pattern.
I said no, ma'am. Tear your butt up.
Yeah. You finna shred. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Oh, Jesus.
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. You can go pet your mom or something.
I got home in the middle of the night, and my dog didn't know until the morning.
Merry Christmas. Hello, ow, that hurts. Hi.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a...
Really?
I just got home and I really have to fucking piss and this fool really runs to the toilet. I'm pissing my pants. Thanks. Are you done?
We freaked out too much.
Good morning. Hi, handsome. Good morning.
My boy even has like the decency to cover himself. Oh.
Wait, hang on, stop! You don't want to do this! Listen, I've been a good boy! I've been a good boy, please! I've been such a good boy! Don't do it! No!
Hey, Bear. You wanna go Starbucks? Where's your teefies? You wanna go Starbucks? Where's your teefies?
They say you can give your dog an egg, and they know to be gentle with it.